The websites and apps that we use to talk with other people and share information are called social media. There are a lot of social media platforms on the internet. The most popular ones are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, and TikTok. People use Instagram to share photos and short videos, and to look at other people's profiles, where you can see their photos and videos. On Instagram, you can follow your friends, your family, or celebrities. There are a lot of celebrities like singers, actors, and sports people that have Instagram. Celebrities share photos and videos of their lives, and people like to look at them to see how they live. They also use Instagram to make money. If they share a photo of a product, like a watch, clothes, or makeup, companies give them money for the advert. YouTube is a platform to watch videos. You can watch short videos or long videos on this platform. There are music videos, tutorials, language classes, vlogs, and gaming videos on this platform. You can learn a lot of things on YouTube, but you can also watch entertaining and fun videos. There are so many videos that you will never get bored. This is why it is my favorite app to use. Facebook is not very popular nowadays. I don't use it because people my age don't use it. I deleted my Facebook account 5 years ago because nobody used it. It is more for older people. Younger people now use TikTok and Instagram. TikTok is similar to Instagram, but it is only for videos. The videos on this platform are very short. Teenagers like it because they are more impatient and they prefer short videos. They don't want to watch long and slow videos because they are more boring. On TikTok, you can share your videos and watch other people's videos. You can follow people and they can follow you. There are a lot of dancing and singing videos on this platform, and there are many challenges that you can do, like dancing, singing, being funny, or even doing dangerous things. People copy these challenges and share their videos. Finally, people use WhatsApp to send messages, photos, and videos. You can send messages to your friends, your family, or your workmates, but you need to know their phone number. You can send messages to each person, or you can create a group chat to talk to many people at the same time. I use WhatsApp to talk to my family and my friends. The app is very easy to use and everybody uses it. Now let's go with the questions and the listening without subtitles, which is more difficult. The first question is, what apps do you use? I normally use WhatsApp and YouTube every day. I make my videos on YouTube, so I need to use this app every day, and I need to contact my family every day, so I use WhatsApp because all of my family uses this app. The second question is, what apps don't you use? Well, I don't use Facebook, like I said before, because people my age don't use Facebook, and I don't use Twitter because I don't understand it. I don't understand why people use Twitter. Is it to look at the news? I'm not really sure. The third question is, what type of videos do you watch on YouTube? My favorite videos to watch on YouTube are recipe videos because I love cooking and it is a great way to learn new recipes because you can watch the person making the recipe and you can copy them. And finally, what things have you learned on YouTube? Well, like I said, I have learned how to cook on YouTube. Learning to cook is very important because you need to eat every day, and if you don't know how to cook, it is very expensive because you will go to restaurants and spend a lot of money. So now I want you to write your answers to the questions in the comment box and I will correct them. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.